So please start.
Recording has started, ma'am. Continue.
Okay. So hi, good evening, Vishal. How are you?
Hi, ma'am. Very good evening. I'm good. What about you? How are you doing?
Yeah, I'm also doing good. Thank you for asking. So
You're
how was
welcome.
your?
It was well, ma'am. And how going your day?
Yeah, it quite means it it was productive and yeah, busy because I just came home and taking calls.
How's going your work life?
Yeah, it's going great. I'm really enjoying.
It should be going well.
Yeah, okay. So, first of all, thank you so much for inviting me, and I'm super excited to have this conversation with you. So, okay, so we are meeting very first time, so I think we have to start with starting our introduction.
Just basic part. Okay, ma'am. Firstly, I would like to introduce yourself. So, could you start from yourself?
Yeah, sure, sure. So, hi everyone. My name is Shivani. I hail from beautiful state Himachal Pradesh and currently based in Delhi. I have completed graduation and also hold a diploma in electronics mechanics. At present, I work in private sector. Alongside my professional career, I'm actually working on my English fluency and strengthening my communication skills because I believe continuous learning is the key to professional and personal growth. And when it comes to my hobbies, I enjoy singing, reading books, and podcasts. So that's little about me. Thank you. So
Okay,
yeah,
glad to hear you.
yeah,
You
sure.
are doing really well. Just keep it up.
Thank you. Okay,
Okay,
so
now it's
yeah, your turn.
okay. It is okay. You don't see it's my son. My name is Vishal Duhan. I come from Sonipat, Haryana. I am 30 years old. By profession, I am a government servant. I work in Indian Railways. If I talk my educational background, I have done post graduation. My hobbies are watching movies, listening to songs, and playing outside. Nowadays, I am learning spoken English. This is the reason I am here. I approached you for having a session. So,
Okay, so that's great introduction about you. Really glad to know.
yeah.
Okay, so do you have prepared any questions or just random talk?
Okay, just daily life questions I wanted to ask you. So,
Yeah,
if you
sure,
have
sure.
something in your mind, so you also have free hand. Whatever comes in your mind, maybe you can ask without hesitation.
Yeah, because I haven't prepared much because I don't have much time, so that's why. But okay, you start first.
Okay, tell me something about your life. Like right now, you are totally a different, living a different kind of life. I know that you're from Himachal. Right now, you are in Delhi. Before that, you were a student. Right now, you are a working woman. So many things are going on family or many responsibility on your shoulder. So can we rewind something back? Like tell me something about your childhood, your college days, or right now this time. So summarize your whole journey.
Okay, it is very actually long answer if I start my since my childhood.
You
Okay, but
don't
I'll
need
try
to
to,
like each and
yeah,
every
I'll
detail.
try to make it short. Okay, so yeah, actually means I'm really enjoying my life. My life is really going well. I'm enjoying my professional career and if you talk about my childhood, yeah, it was also means quite a kind of struggling and when means you are when you are just a little from a a little village, so I think there in the village there are many struggles are there. So yeah, means my childhood is very nice. I enjoyed my studying, my playing with my friends, with my siblings. But yeah, it was quite struggling. But after came Delhi, means it's totally changed, and I am a very different person before I was that. So yeah, means I would say I'm totally different person, not like before. So now I'm working on myself, so I'm growing my improving my confidence little by little, and gradually improving. I'm able to see where I have to go, and many things are becoming clear for me, means like what is my short term goals and what is my long term goal. So yeah, it is going quite, means very well, I think I can say. So yeah, that's is coming in my mind. So yeah, I want to know about you, how your childhood and till date, means till now.
Okay, almost same, ma'am. And I
Okay.
used to spend time with my friends, with family, with relatives. So main thing right now I realize that I have wasted my time. I had
Okay.
wasted my time into friends or that was the time I should focus on myself. But I get distracted from my study. I spent time with friend and roaming here to there. So, but that was a time we were not mature enough at that time. So, childhood never ever come back. So, I lived my childhood happily. So, I don't have like too much regret about childhood. So, those moments were precious. We can't buy them. So,
Okay.
I was like in starting, I was a student, I studious kind of a student. But by the age of growing, I converted into an average student. So rather than focusing on study, my focus on like is spending time with friends, so roaming here to there. I distracted from my own goal. But after getting job, I my life totally has changed. So I realized that reality is totally different. Getting a job is not mean that you will get everything in a good way. Real life starts whenever we do something from our own end. If you are doing your government, private, your own business, you are doing anything. So, but real life starts then. In like in college, in schools, we were totally dependent on our parents. We didn't know the actual value of rupee or just we were totally dependent on our parents. But right now, whenever I started earning, I know that so life had totally changed. Every day teach me another lesson. So still things are going on. Some things are good, some are not good. But I'll try to do my level best.
Okay, it's great actually. Okay, yeah, it's means when you are depend your parents, I think it's a different kind of feeling. We have no much stress. We just eating, playing, studying, and that's all.
Okay. Definitely careful life.
Yeah, but when it comes means responsibility comes on our shoulders, so it became means when we come to know how life works actually, how we need to focus on the things. So yeah, it teach us many lessons that helps to grow in our life. But I think, yeah, man, I think it's a it comes with the time actually. You cannot learn before the time.
Right, right, right.
Yeah. Hmm. Okay.
It's a common thing. Maturity comes by that time. You can't expect
Yeah.
from a 10-year boy that he is behaving like a 30 years old man.
True, it's true actually. Okay, so do you think means English speaking English has been changed the way see you yourself?
Okay. Yes, my perspective of seeing the things totally changed. It's a small step. Like I'm learning this language. I hardly spend like 30, 40 minutes for this language. But you are from Himachal, I am from here. You are totally living a different kind of life. I haven't imagined that one day I will live that life. But I'm just imagining that in what situation would I be if I would be at your place. So it's totally sharing, no totally exchange of knowledge. And the main thing at least I'm improving. I'm learning. When you want to do achieve something in your life, so this is the reason you are here. So mostly they want to do something, so they are doing this type of effort. They are putting efforts in this language. So it's a good initiative. I, I I'm grateful that I started this journey. Otherwise, if I hadn't started my journey, I wouldn't be sitting here.
Yeah, agree with you
And then,
because okay, okay, you are saying something. Sorry.
I was saying that you mentioned that you are from a small village in Himachal. Same like you.
Yeah.
I belong to a small village. I studied Hindi medium, school, college, everything. Still, all things are in Hindi only. Even at my workplace, we use Hindi. So there is no one with whom I can imagine that I can speak in English. But I created my environment. Seeing myself, some of my friends, they motivated. They also started their spoken English journey. And even my own sister, my younger sister, they started practicing English. So it's a small change. At least I can, I made this habit. I developed this habit in my thinking. So seeing myself, my sister, and so some of my close friends, they started their journey as well. So I'm affecting people in a good way. Not, I'm not harming anyone.
Okay, yes, true actually. When we start something means learning things, so I think we just not changing ourselves only. We are changing entire people around us actually. So I think it's really inspiring thing we are doing.
But but ma'am, okay, honestly speaking, it's a very long journey. It's not kind of a sprint, or it's not like a movie interval. It's like a series of 9 to 10 episodes, and there many seasons will come.
True, it's true. But yeah, if you are aware, you have to work on yourself. I think it is really very big step actually you are taking.
Right.
We are taking actually. So yeah, I also believe when means I started my this journey. Means I was very underconfident and a very confusing person. But yeah, when I entered in this world, so means many things changed within me, and I'm able to see my confidence, my personality, the way of my speaking. So we are also improving ourselves and also people around us. So it's a actually really big thing we are doing.
Right, ma'am. It's a fact. Our surrounding affect us, and we also affect our environment.
Yeah, it's true because uh, if you wait for someone, if someone asks you, okay, you learn start something, you want to learn something, so it cannot happen. You have to start your journey by on yourself. So it's totally depends on you. You have to create the environment like whatever you want to achieve in your life. It's not about it's a just learn English. It is about anything, whatever skills you want to improve in your life. So yeah, it's really important. So you have to create that environment so you can change the things according to you.
Right, ma'am. You are saying absolutely right. I agree with you. You are mentioning that we have to aware of the things. What I am going to do. So if we make our mind, if we took a decision, so after that we will be able to continue on that path. But firstly, we have to think, we have to set a goal or long term or short term goal. But at least we have to make our mind. Otherwise, if we are not ready to learn, no teacher, no book, no application, no one in this will make us fluent in this language, or not in only this language. Nothing. We can't learn anything.
Yeah, it's true because before we started this journey means English is there, but we are not aware. We have to learn this.
Right, ma'am, right.
Yeah, we are okay. We are just okay as we are working. So we are just doing the things when it requires. When we have to face the interviews, meetings, presentations with our boss, we have to communicate in English. So we are doing that. But
Right,
means not that kind of when we talk about daily conversation, we are unable to do that because we are not doing that. We are not
ma'am.
practicing on that part. So yeah, it's really impact. But when you got to know, okay, you have to learn this, I think it's good actually.
Right, ma'am. Absolutely right. And the small step create big result. Okay. Right now, we hadn't started our journey before, but right now is the right time. Rather than living in regret only. Right now, we have two options. If we can start from our journey from tomorrow, today, and we will think that I'll start from Monday, and this type of Monday never ever come.
Never come.
Right, ma'am.
Totally agree with you. You have to start your journey by today, by this time only.
Right,
So
ma'am.
it's really important. We first step is, I think first step is really important. When you take your first step, now I believe universes also supports you. Means they provide the same kind of environment, same kind of people, like us. We are interacting with each other. So I think it's a kind of first step is us, and then universe, God supports us a lot. I really believe in these kind of things.
Absolutely right, ma'am. Like first step is the hardest step. If we take the first step, so we will complete our 50% work. The rest only 50 remaining. But main
Yeah,
thing is people don't start whatever they wanted to do, but they never ever start. They are thinking only. And the main thing, ma'am, like consistency comes first, perfection comes later. But people they want perfection first. They think that I'll be consistent later. So it's not a logical thing.
it's not true. Actually, it's not true. If if you want to do anything in your life, consistency is the key. Then you can achieve the level where you want to. And I think there is no perfection. You have to work on yourself on daily basis. It's not a overnight process. Okay, work on for 1 month, 6 months, for 1 year, and then you will achieve that level. I think it's a long journey. You have to work on daily basis. You have to maintain that consistency so that that can help you reach that level actually.
Right, right, right. Okay, I want to ask you some question in a direct way. Can I
Okay.
ask?
Sure, sure.
Okay, what is your biggest strength?
Biggest
Biggest strength?
strength. Okay, if you
20%.
ask me about my biggest strength, so I'm a kind of a positive person, and I can forgive someone easily. Actually, if someone did something wrong with me, okay, for some time I'll maybe cry and feel very sad, but after some time I feel okay, it happens. Okay, let go, and just forgive the person. So I think it's my strength because it helps me to keep in positive mindset. So yeah, these are my strengths actually. And yeah, I also like uh, how can I say? Means it's a kind of I'm feeling it's like a kind of interview questions.
No, it's a personal question, like basic things about person we can know. Okay, if
Okay,
you feel
so
uncomfortable, so simply, okay, ma'am, if you feel anywhere like uncomfortable, so simply you can deny me that I'm not
no,
feeling
it's not
uncomfortable, so you just
uncomfortable.
move on.
No, it's not uncomfortable. You are asking bilkul nice questions. So you tell, what is your strength actually?
Okay, I am straightforward. I do my work with honesty. Doesn't matter I'm at home, I'm outside, I'm at work, but I try to give my 100%. I try to my work in a honest manner. So I'm straightforward. I keep things very simple. I don't
Yeah,
manipulate
that's
the thing. Whatever
yeah,
I have in my mind, I simply ask.
yeah, that's great. But don't you think when it comes about our professional life, the means in that area manipulation is
No.
little required?
Okay, no, I don't believe in this thing. I don't want to this type of fast fail. I know that I'm getting salary from government, not from my senior.
Okay, but no, when it comes means you have to. It's not like about okay, you are impressive someone, right? But you have to show your work, your communications, your
Okay.
skills. So means how you feel, means what kind of thoughts yours
Then
on it.
okay, listen, I think in this way that if I'm working my work honestly, doesn't matter. Sooner or later, my senior will realize the importance of my work. That this person is genuine, he is authentic, he is working properly. I don't need to show off there that, sir, I am doing this thing, that, sir, look at here, see myself that I'm here. So we don't need to show off. But you are saying right, though they are doing this type of, they are doing 5% work and they are showing 22 to 25%. They are getting more appreciation. But for inner satisfaction, I think that I should do my work with integrity, with genuine. So I I have my own standard.
Yeah, but
So I don't copy others. They have their rule regulations. So let them die, let them burn, let them try to do whatever they want. They are surely correct, but I
yeah,
not.
yeah, I also agree with you because I also believe if my work is speaking now, then I don't have to speak.
Right, right.
I also believe in this mindset, but when it comes means chamchagiri, so I think a hardworking person is
Right,
stands
right.
nowhere
Getting lag,
in the
it's
office.
getting lag behind in this race and undeserving candidate they get the promotion of these type of things. So it's very common everywhere. In government also, but who cares?
Yeah, in government, whether it's a government or private, you go anywhere. I
Everywhere,
think
anywhere.
politics is everywhere.
But
Yeah.
we are not. I'm not in that race, man. Honestly speaking, I can face some difficulty in long run or short run, but I don't do these things. Maybe
Yeah,
I have to compromise
I
with
can
something, but
also
I'm
sense
ready.
that.
I know
Yeah,
the
yeah,
consequences.
yeah, you are right actually. I'm also same kind of person. Means I also don't believe in show off. Means it's a means yeah, I already told you if my work is speaking, then I don't need to speak.
Right, right, right.
But yeah,
In
I
English,
think
it is important.
sometime it's required actually.
Action speaks louder than word. But man, what can, okay, but sometimes we have to stay silent. Sometimes we have to raise our voice. So
Yeah,
then we
thing we
learn
do.
our thing own things by the time only. We learn from our
Yeah,
own experiences, from our
yeah,
own
it
mistakes.
happens actually. We have to learn. Means we handle the. I believe I handle the things, but in a different way. I have no means a kind of diplomatic things and manipulating things. Okay, means I don't do this kind of things. I have different method of to show myself. I don't like do these kind of things, but yeah, I'm also honest and also hardworking. I also believe working hard, but yeah, somewhere I also feel means sometime happening some kind of politics, and I don't want to part be that politics, but
Okay.
sometimes it is very difficult actually.
Okay, but
Okay,
then
so
okay, for the short term, it's good. They are doing this thing. So for short run, for a like short period, so it's good. But in long run, what would happen with them? How can we survive with this politics?
but I see a lot of people. They are doing very well. They are doing these kind of things, and they are working. Means last 15, 20 years means no impact on their jobs. Means yeah. I seriously. I mean yeah. There are many people. So okay, but we just have to ignore that people. Okay, we have just focus on our progress, what we can do and what we can avoid. So that's it only. Okay, so I want to ask you a question.
Please, ma'am.
Uh, what is the one thing about yourself that you want to change or improve in the next year, next 1 year? Apart from your English, okay?
Okay. I try to be silent, like in those things they are not affected me. So right now I try to avoid them. I don't do so much help to others. Earlier I easily trust everyone, but there are some incidents those taught me that it's not good. Believe in yourself, but don't trust on others, but don't blindly trust others. It's a dirty politics everywhere, in family, outside family. So from next year, I will work on my personality more and more. Not about English only, but there are some skills that how to stay silent, how to relax your mind, how to improve our body language. So there are many things. So I'll try to work on my personality, whole personality.
Okay, that's great thing. Actually, we have to develop our personality because it's really required nowadays. And it's not because we are working. Means it's also if we are working or not working, we are doing something else. So I think it's really important. Okay, if you ask me same question, so I want to
Okay,
be
ma'am.
confident because I think lack of confidence. I missed many things in my life, and I am weak somewhere. Means it is as I'm working, if you don't have skills, if you don't have confidence, okay, if you have knowledge, but you are unable to present in that way. So I think knowledge alone doesn't work actually. So I think confidence should be must. So yeah,
Right.
I want to work in I want to work on my confidence so I can share my thoughts, ideas with everyone confidently and effortlessly. So it's really important for me.
Okay. But ma'am, I think it won't take like next year for you. Right now we have to 4 months remaining of this year. So right now you have enough confidence. It's seeing in your personality, like I'm talking to you. Like in virtual mode, like in online, you have enough confidence, good communication skill. Everything is top notch from your side. But in the real world, like maybe we have some hesitation. So 4 months are more than sufficient. In 4 months, you can uh, reduce your hesitation. So 4 months
Okay.
are more than sufficient. So
Okay.
what is the next big thing in your mind after getting confidence, after working on your communication skill? What will you do? What is the big things in your mind?
Then I'll means yeah, I want to grow my career. Means like whether it is I'm working on YouTube and also in my professional career because in my field means there are a lot of growth. So I want to achieve that level where I feel stable financially and professionally. So yeah, means next my achievement would be I want to achieve financially freedom. Actually, I think it's really important.
Okay,
I
then
don't
it
know.
is at least okay. It's it won't happen in 4 months. It will take time, at
It
least
will
one
take
year.
time. Yeah, it will take time.
It will take
Right.
time.
Yeah,
Right, right.
more than 1 year.
Okay, okay. Let's see.
But
Okay,
okay,
then
we are working. Yeah,
it's totally depend on your goal. How long it is. So
yeah, and
long.
on my consistency, on my actions, it's true actually.
Right, man, right, okay. On your
True.
channel, you uploaded your first videos in Hindi only. There were something like poetry or some motivational lines. Long time ago, you posted those videos.
Yeah,
Two,
I
three
have in Hindi.
in Hindi.
Yeah, I have started. It's a
There
long
are
back.
many. Yes, around I think 3 years ago, you uploaded those videos, and those are life lessons. They are inherited in those words. But main thing, it's not showing that it's your first video. In first video, you are not visible there. Your face is not there. Without face, you made video, but your voice, it's there is a rhythm,
Oh,
intonation or everything was good. So no one can judge you from your accent or from your speaking whether it's your first video. So you are speaking in a rhythm or
wow, thank you. It's really means a lot to me.
so why did you stop that journey in starting your project one or two or three? So and recently 2 months ago you started this journey. So
Yeah.
from YouTube you started some journey and you took a long break. So and what brings you again on YouTube?
Actually, it's my means I want to be a content creator, but I have no clarity actually what want I need to do actually. So means I'm a person kind of motivational. Means my friend, my siblings say they take advice from me. So I think I have that strength. I can means explain the things easily and in a very understanding way. So that's why I started that. But it is take it time taking actually.
Right,
So
absolutely right. That
so
time it was
I
very,
have
very
to
time consuming.
write the script. I have to use my own mind. Okay, what comes in my mind, and then and it is I think 4 to 5 minutes video, but you have to spend I think 4 to 5 hours. So means when you are working, so it is not easy to be consistent. Means like 4 or 5 hours is too much time actually. So then I stopped myself. Then. But yeah, then I feel okay, I have to start my English journey. Then I have actually I have taken classes from Miss Rajni, very famous.
Yes, sir. I also watched your first video with the Radha ma'am. So that time you shared these things.
Yeah, so okay, you bossed it. Yeah, so from that I think I means when she said you have to record your videos and just watch yourself. So then it comes in my mind, okay, if I'm recording myself, then why I'm not posting on YouTube channel? So then I got the idea, okay, then I have to make the video and just post whatever come in your mind. Just post. Don't means avoid all the things what people think, and I'm not perfect. Just forget all the things.
Okay, yes, ma'am, absolutely right. Like making these type of motivational videos, it's very in listening we can complete in 3 minutes. But whenever you are creating those videos, so you are going to spend at least some hours. 3 minutes becomes 3 hours.
Yeah,
So
you
yes.
have to meet yourself actually, what comes in your heart, in your mind. Because I believe if you are reading from somewhere and you are just again creating video, I think that not works. It comes from your heart only.
It's
So
just
then
copy paste.
people able to connect with you.
Right. If you have something unique, so after that people watch your video. Otherwise, who cares? There are lakhs of channels like you.
True. Okay, so means you
But
also
right
started your.
now,
Okay.
okay. But right now you are killing two birds with one stone. You have your channel. You are making video there, and it's getting reach. It's getting popular day by day because from your YouTube channel, I approached you. I post your video that who is Shivani. So right now I approached you. So main thing that you are doing your work.
Yeah.
If someone is approaching you, so main thing you are on right track. You are doing work, so your work is spreading.
Oh,
So
it's
right
like
now,
that.
like, first your YouTube channel is improving. It's right thing. And second, your personality. You are living in corporate world. So in your world for your job, it's must you can't survive without English there.
True. It's very true actually. Yeah.
So you are doing both working now, and it's necessity for you. So you never ever feel bored in this language.
Thank you so much for your
Okay, you,
compliment.
you were asking me something that is
Okay, I think it's
about I think YouTube something.
yeah. Actually, I also watching your videos means, so you have also posted video 2 years back, and then you have started from 1 month. It's like that.
Right. Okay, no, it's nothing like this. Okay,
Huh.
I started almost 2 years ago. I started my journey. So that
Huh.
time I used to upload video on almost regular basis. So 1.5 year I uploaded video. But last
Mm-hmm.
year I transferred into my hometown from Panchkula to Sonipat. So things has changed totally. So I had to new routine, new lifestyle. So all things has changed in my life. So that time I took 6 to 7 month break. And 3 or 4 months ago I restarted this journey. But this time I won't stop until or unless I will be fluent here.
Okay.
So,
Yeah,
like this.
actually, because without consistency, maybe something.
I don't know that I will be fluent or not, but I set a target that I'll
No,
upload
you
at
are
least.
doing great actually. You are doing great. You are very fluent. You are very confident. I can see that confidence in your eyes. It's really good actually.
Thank you so much for appreciation, ma'am. And but I'm doing my work, and sooner or later I will improve my all things. I will
Yeah,
work for my business, and I
yeah,
will convert it to my strength.
Yeah,
I
it's
don't
good.
care how long will it take.
Yeah, it's good actually. Ignore everyone. Just focus on your journey. Simple method.
Right, right, right. Right. This is the
Hmm.
only way.
Yeah,
Anything else from your side, if you want to ask me?
I think we have talked a lot, and it's really wonderful conversation with you. I really enjoyed your smiley face, and yeah,
Okay, you too, man. Okay, main thing. Okay, whenever in future you want to make a conversation with me, simply text me or message me. That within 1 or 2 days I'll connect for your channel.
yeah, yeah, sure. Because I'll mail you on means I have time on Saturday, Sunday only mostly
Okay.
because
No, no issue. It's a long
hmm.
journey for me. I will stay here at least 2 or 3 years more. So whenever you want to make a session with me one
Yeah, yeah,
time
no,
to
no, this
contact
week
and
only.
so
This Sunday, this Saturday, Sunday only. We connect again.
okay, very sure, ma'am. Okay, ma'am. Sure.
Okay. So thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate. Please, means you have to edit your video. We
Okay.
have talked
No,
in
no
between.
issue. Okay, no issue, ma'am. We are speaking genuine and we are not saying about anything. So main thing it will take time. So I don't have time. So I don't do editing, ma'am. This is the reason.
Okay,
It
no
is very
worries.
time consuming. Okay,
Okay,
ma'am.
so it was
Thank you so
nice
much.
talking to you. Thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate and thank you so much for your wonderful conversation with you. Thank you.
It's
Good
my
night.
pleasure. It's my pleasure, ma'am. You are speaking really, really well. So just keep it up. Keep continue practice. So best wishes
Thank
for your
you.
channel, for your life. Bye, ma'am. Take care. Good night.
Bye bye. Best of luck. Bye bye.
You too.